everybody, it's Matt from Eastwood again. We're here at my project Pilehouse just to give you another small update. The last video we mentioned that we were going to be doing a cheap budget type airbag setup on the truck. Just got done doing the rear suspension on this and we got it moving up and down just with the air compressor. We're going to add some management later on, but right now we just did a cheap bag on bar setup. Bought some universal parts off of eBay just to get everything fitted up, because this isn't something that's just a bolt-on affair. We're doing a older body on a newer chassis like this. So welded up some brackets, got a bar stock, welded that into the chassis, and we have everything so it'll move up and down and get it to the ride height so I can drive around and maybe even tow something, and also get it dropped down to sitting how I want. Next series, we're going to show you how to rebuild and refresh the front suspension on this S10 chassis, and also we're going to add some bags to the front with, again, some universal brackets and make the front go down just like the rear.